Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at 21 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 5% in most recent 60 minutes, which basically is very critical. Police truly has a by and large all-out market cap of $32,430,378 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $872,192 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes Star Atlas DAO lovely positioning at 491 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023? Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise venture or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Will Poli's cost for the most part outperform its unequaled certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Poli's future, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Poli's cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of 20 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the very current year ought to generally be 19 cents in a genuinely large manner. Besides, Poli's can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of 22 cents in a huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost generally is estimate to truly arrive at an essentially the least cost of 15 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Poli's cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme cost of 17 cents with the typical expected cost around 17 cents in a quite enormous manner. Poli's value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of 17 cents in an especially enormous manner. The Poli's cost could really arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 18 cents with the truly normal cost around 17 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Poli's value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is estimated to fundamentally be at around a for the most part least worth of 17 cents in a by and large significant manner. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of 19 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 18 cents in USD. Which for the most part shows that Poli's value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO essentially is gauged to generally be at around a very least worth of 17 cents, or so they really thought. Star Atlas DAO value estimate September 2023. The in every practical sense normal cost of Star Atlas DAO could sort of go to 18 cents toward the finish of September 2023. So on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in a real sense be especially worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? Poli's could by and large be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 20 cents with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of 18 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to generally be at around an in every practical sense least of 18 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO cost can basically arrive at a sort of limit of 21 cents with the very normal cost of 19 cents in USD in a for the most part significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure November 2023. The Star Atlas DAO cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at a by and large least worth of 19 cents while the in every way that really matters greatest gauge cost basically is around 22 cents. So these essentially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Poli's future in an unpretentious manner. The very normal cost for Poli's sort of is generally anticipated to reach 20 cents in November 2023 in a kind of enormous way. Star Atlas DAO value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost basically is figured to in a real sense arrive at a barely the least cost of 19 cents, showing how Star Atlas DAO value forecast June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost generally is conjectured to especially arrive at in a real sense the most reduced cost of 15 cents in a very huge manner. The Poli's cost could generally arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 22 cents with the for the most part normal expected cost around 20 cents, exhibiting how in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO explicitly be by and large worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Star Atlas DAO pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost truly has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 31.51% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the pulleys in every practical sense was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 35.64% in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO certainly has shown exceptionally in every way that really matters. Solid sort of potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and contribute. Especially further appearance how these for the most part are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for pulleys as future, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of pulleys truly diminished by 16.223%, wiping out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of 4 cents from its exceptionally current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a for the most part great sort of purchase, a potential open door for fast interest in a for the most part huge manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will be Star Atlas DAO sort of worth in 2023? Which essentially is genuinely critical. The pulleys cost is going to especially arrive at a most extreme degree of 22 cents with by and large least cost of 19 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Star Atlas DAO essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Star's Atlas DAO in a real sense have a future, which generally is genuinely huge. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense has an extraordinary genuinely potential to arrive at new levels in an all things considered, significant way generally. It truly is figure that pulleys will increment in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can really stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of $1.05 till 2030 in an unpretentious manner. The Star Atlas DAO especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Star Atlas DAO's worth sort of is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every practical sense energize cost rise, exhibiting that POLIS value estimate July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to basically arrive at a by and large least value worth of 17 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there for the most part is a gamble to any interest in a huge manner. Just in a real sense put resources into what you can for the most part achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the by and large greatest exploration conceivable. Showing how as far as value, Star Atlas DAO sort of has a remarkable truly potential to all things considered, arrive at new levels, or so they especially thought.